Why can't I boost my Facebook Marketplace listing? Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so I get this question all the time. Where's the boost button? Well, I actually didn't know why a lot of you don't have the boost button, so I decided to research it and do this video for you. So I found this article by Facebook, and it says here, below are the most common reasons why you might not have the boost button available. So they've got 5 things listed here, and we'll go through each one of them. So the first thing is listing review not passed. Let's click into that. It says here, all listings on a marketplace must comply with commerce policies. Make sure your item is approved for sale on Facebook. Basically, when you list your item on Facebook Marketplace, you'll notice sometimes when you list something, it'll say something like listing in review. And that's either an actual person or a computer or an algorithm going through to make sure that, you're listing appropriate items. Because there are some things that you can't sell on Facebook. And if you click on this link, it goes to this, and you're going to want to go through and make sure that you are selling things that you can actually sell on Marketplace. So make sure that your listings are actually approved. Next here, listing is sold. So if you've marked your listing as sold, you cannot boost the item because it thinks that you've already transacted. There's no reason to boost it because boosting is basically paid advertising for Facebook to promote it to people so that you can sell your item. You are paying Facebook to promote it. That's what boosting is. All right, next, listing is a duplicate. If your listing is the exact copy of another listing, you won't be able to boost it. You've got to make a change. Maybe a change in the title, different kinds of photos, different description. Next, ad account status is disabled. So your ad account might have been flagged for unusual activity. If that happens, they're not going to let you boost an item. It's giving you some steps here to check the status of your account. So you've got to go to your ads manager, under status, confirm that your status is active. If you closed it, you need to reactivate it. So you need to click reactivate if your ads manager was turned off. And it's saying here, if you're looking for help with this, you can contact support through this form and they'll have someone help restart once they confirm your information. And last reason why you might not have the boost button is payment disabled for the users. Again, users with unusual activity can be restricted from advertising and payment methods might be paused. So this could be due to many different reasons. If you spammed a bunch of people by sending out too many messages, they are giving you the option to request a review of your ad account. And so you can go ahead and ask for that if your payments were disabled. Years ago, I did have my payments disabled on my account, like 3 or 4 years ago, a long time ago. I think it was because I had something was expired. The card on there was expired and I just contacted someone on Facebook and I got it reinstated and then I could add a payment method again. I will have a link to this article down in the description below so you guys can go directly to it and check out all the reasons why the boost option might be unavailable for your posts. But yeah, those are Facebook's reasons. Check out that link and hopefully you can get it sorted out. I do a lot of videos on Facebook Marketplace, how to list, how to sell a bunch of different things. So you can check that out also in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.